Good morning, my name's Chris. I'm a technician working on your car today. I've been working around your vehicle. I'd like to bring you to your driver's front tyre. Now, your driver's front tyre does have a few cuts in the tyre. However, they aren't to cords at this moment in time. Tread depth of the tyre, 3.4mm, 3.5mm, 3.6mm. And then check your front steering, suspension, lower arms, your brake hoses, and your CV boots. This is us draining your oil for you today as part of your service. All your suspension components, steering components and brake components all okay there. Nothing to report for you today. This is your passenger front tyre now. Passenger front tyre, same again, does have some deep cuts in them. However, not to cause at this moment in time. Tread depth for this tyre, 3.3mm, 3.4mm, 3.5mm. Front brake pads for you today are 5mm thick if you go to scale. The light green part behind is a brand new brake pad. The gold bit in front is your brake pad for you today. As you can see by the scale there, that's just over halfway, so you've still got another 40% left of your pad. As I take you down the vehicle now, following your exhaust system and also your brake lines, they are all okay for you today. Approaching your rear diff now, rear diff is all okay, no leaks coming from that. You have got slight corrosion on your rear subframe. As you can see there, only ever so slight. This is your driver's rear tyre now. Now, your driver's rear tyre does have a cut in the tyre that is deep, and as you can see inside there, there is cords showing. The tyre is also cracking and perishing, as you can see there, and also on the side wall of the tyre. That cuts the cord is highly dangerous, so I do recommend you replace that tyre as soon as you possibly can. Tread depth for this tyre, 4mm, 5mm, and 2.6mm. Now the tyre is slightly out of shape, as you can see there. Don't know if you've noticed a noise down the road, but your tyre is also out of shape, highly dangerous. I do recommend you replace this tyre as soon as you possibly can. And then check your rear suspension system, lower arms, CV boots, brake hoses, and again your rear diff. Again, all okay there, nothing to report for you today. This is your passenger rear tyre now, 6.4mm, 6.7mm, 6.6mm. Now your rear brake pads for you today are 2mm thick. If we go to scale again, the light green part behind again is a brand new brake pad. The red bit in front is your brake pad for you today. As you can see by the scale there, that is getting dangerously low. I do recommend you replace your rear pads with us today. Now your rear discs are all okay. There's no lip on your rear disc, so they will do another set of pads. So I only recommend replacing your rear pads with us today. Legal element on tyres is 1.6mm, so as of tread depth, all four tyres are okay. However, your driver's rear tyre does have that cut to the cords and is, as you can see, out of shape. So I do recommend you replace that tyre as soon as you possibly can. So thank you for taking time out watching my video today, and the service advisor will be in contact with you shortly. If I could ask you kindly to rate this video, that would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.